How to set up auto reply on Facebook Marketplace. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to set up auto reply on Facebook Marketplace. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Facebook app on your device. Tap on the Facebook Marketplace at top right corner of the screen. If you don't find Facebook Marketplace icon on the shortcut bar, tap three-line icon at top right corner and then select the Facebook Marketplace from this section or menu bar. Once you access the marketplace, select the person-like icon to access your profile. Scroll down. Select settings under more. Now here under more action you will find set a custom message option. Tap on it. Now you can type a custom message as per your need and preference to attract your potential customers and tap on the save icon. After that, you will automatically set up the reply or auto reply on Facebook Marketplace. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.